Spinal fusion is the joining or fusing together of two or more vertebral bodies. The spine is a stack of bones called vertebral bodies. These bones are connected by discs and joints that allow the spine to move as well as to maintain its stability. When there's a problem with the discs or joints, it can be necessary to fuse the two adjacent bones together so that they function as one single bone. Bone graft is traditionally used to facilitate fusion. This involves taking small amounts of bone from the patient's pelvis or using bone from a donor. The bone graft is then packed between the vertebrae so that it grows between the bones, causing them to function as a single bone. Specifically designed implants, including cages, rods, hooks, and screws, are also often used in fusion surgery. The implants are used to ensure correct alignment between the vertebrae and to hold them rigidly in place, which helps the fusion to occur.